I mean, this analogy does not get better than this, guys. I hope you listened to the 60-second short video we posted on Isaac Newton. He was the most brilliant man of the 16th, 17th century, but he couldn't trade for shit. Okay, so you may be an attorney of high caliber. You may be in the top 1% attorney in the fucking world. You may be a heart surgeon. You may be exceptionally good at what you do, okay? This guy, apparently, as brilliant as he is, he can't trade for shit, and I explained it in the last video why. Listen to this, okay? I mean, this is the funny part. He gets hit with an apple. I mean, this is how the guy comes out with some of the most brilliant laws of physics that we're still using to this day. Okay, he gets hit with an apple in the head when he thinks under an apple tree. Guys, a lot of traders are about to get hit with an apple, and they're about to wake the fuck up and realize that making money when stocks drop is the way to go in 2024, despite of one sector rocketing higher, which is the semiconductor. Everything else is dropping like a fucking apple. Let's glance real quick at an apple chart. Okay, so despite of the recent upgrade, despite of the new product, guys, I mean, it is trying to close this gap right here. And oftentimes it's going to be your ultimate point to short something. Okay, so for those of you that are super excited about Apple, okay, this rally could last. Sure, I'm not discounting the fact that Apple could go sideways to slightly higher from here. Okay, but if it creates a double top right here, this is a definite, like, if you're not shorting Apple at 200, this is nuts. Then you're Isaac Newton. But you know, when it comes to trading, that's not necessarily a good thing. But Apple could resemble a chart of, like, if we were to combine this, right? If I was to show you the historic chart of South Sea Company, okay, Apple could look like this. And you're closer to the top right now in Apple before Apple is just going to keep sliding. Apple is a great company, got a great product, guys, but no more, okay? It's been climbing for years and years and years. There was a point similar in Microsoft history where it just topped out and it didn't do nothing for years as far as the chart concerned. And so I think we're very similar at that moment in the chart of Apple. So clearly, the company's got great stuff. Warren Buffett owns it, but hey, he owned this shit for years now. So who's to say that he's not going to lighten up, sell Apple here? And I think when the news is going to surface, oh, Warren Buffett fucking sells Apple. Okay, I think that's pretty clear. Okay, more people are going to unwind, and nobody's even going to remember about the Bank of America upgrade that drove the stock recently slightly higher. So expect Apple to look like the South Sea Company. I'm exaggerating a little bit just to get the point across, but the most important point is you don't buy stocks at the top when a lot of things are deteriorating as far as your divergence, as far as the chart, as far as everything. Okay, the only thing that's bullish right now that's not making me just scream, just short Apple now, okay, guys, is the fact that we got a bullish development on MACD. So if you see Apple running higher on light volume, this is going to be the ultimate short, because when we look further towards the end of 2024, this stock is on our top 10 list of stocks to short in 2024. And as a short seller, what you look at is opportunities for a good entry. And when you're a short seller, opportunities for good entry are when price action moves higher, but yet you have clear indications such as bear divergence on the RSI, such as overall, despite of the increase in positive volume right here, it's still nowhere near. I mean, look at this middle finger action right here, guys. It happens exactly when? At the very, very top. So if by a miracle Apple goes higher, this is your moment. You short it. And if you're not sure exactly which expirations to go with, what strikes to go with, guys, call us here at 13 Market Moves. Apple is going to be way lower by the end of 2024 than the current levels. I've even showed you a historic analogy in one of the videos I've posted earlier today, basically showing you that Apple made a major drop despite of Warren Buffett accumulating a ton of shares back in January of 2018. And yes, the stock promptly bounces in February, but what I am saying, there's a high probability of a major move. Apple is not the time to be bought right now, guys. It's as simple as that. So trade it with 13 market moves. Okay, don't trade like Isaac Newton. Trade Apple the way 13 market moves traded it in 2018. We're going to catch the drop. We're going to catch the bottom. And we're going to go bulls when nobody wants to buy Apple. So all the market participants that are so highly bullish on Apple are about to get hit with an Apple drop. And guess when we're going to be buying Apple? We're going to be buying Apple calls when everyone is going to get hit with an Apple and nobody's going to be wanting to do anything with it. This is going to be the point to buy Apple, but right now, this is not the time to do it. So trade it with us here at 13 Market Moves. Don't get hit with an Apple. Buy Apple after everyone gets hit with it. Let's roll.